So this is the building we're working on today. Gotta clean some gutters. Today we're doing this project, and it's like 4-story copper gutters. They got some dirt in them, some seams are leaking, and we got a professional certified boom operator, man lift operator. Spendy, but worth it, because driving on top of this lawn with a regular boom lift that's 40,000 pounds, that's gonna get messy and lots of damage. So check this thing out. It's very compact, and we just switched the plywood over. We were able to reach all these spots right here. So you just gotta move the plywood. There it is. It's set up properly. It's amazing. This thing out, 85-foot man lift. We can reach all these gutters and got in with no damages on the grass. That's really nice. We have a professional operator. So the guy is tied off and he's just being controlled from the ground. 85-foot man lift. Super exciting. Not really, it's work. Nobody likes to work. But look how stable the legs are on this thing. And the fact that we had to get it on the grass. Look at that. That's just phenomenal. Very, very nice equipment. Reach anywhere capability. 4-story building on the lawn. That's the equipment right there. That's very nice equipment. That gutter is sagging right there, so we're gonna fix that up. 4 stories, and it reaches no problem. 85-foot capacity if you're going straight up, but when you're going sideways like that, machine folds up, drives on top of plywood, and then you just move the plywood over as you go. You need 36 inches to get across, so not much, but very effective. Very small print. Look at that. So you just need a piece of plywood and you can get through. That is amazing. Amazing. It does is he swings the arms into position. Arms? Legs. Stabilizers. Then he lowers them. So even though we're on the hill here, it doesn't matter. It'll open up like so, and these are padded, probably patented, and whoa, and he can just keep churning it to his liking. He's got a pad there. Oh, look at that. It just shifted into position. Look at that. And the whole thing comes off the ground, and we're ready to go. Well-balanced machine. So now it's moving into position, and Gil here is the professional, certified, yes sir, and he's operating
2-3 functions at once here.
It's all remote. He's just pressing all the buttons at the same time, and it's doing something. And he's got like earmuffs and everything. This guy's a pro. There it goes. He's gonna lower the basket for the guy to get in. And there it is. Ready to load and work. You can also operate it from in here as well. You got controls. Be nice to have a little bit bigger basket, but then you have weight restrictions, 350-pound capacity. kind of fun to get in there. There's no gate. And there's a lanyard. He gets snapped in. So just in case he gets bumped out, he'll be secured. David over here making stuff happen. There he goes. Operating in tight spots. So the guy on top doesn't really have to worry about a thing. This is his eyes on the ground. Very nice. Let's catch it at this angle here so you can get the full picture what we're dealing with. Because to have a ladder up top, a little slippery, the flat roof. So by having this here, he can reach over and do his work. Check all these gutters right here. So right there, he can reach 1,000,000 miles. Just have to be careful not to hit anything. And it's beautiful. We're gonna see if we can reach the downspout. So right in here, we're like reached over and we're 93% limit. So we still have what, 7%?
Yep.
And that's exactly what we need, is 7% to reach that corner. That's amazing. Gil, the best. Here we go, we're up in the corner and we're at 106%. So we're doing better, and our load is 209 and our capacity is 350. So we got a skinny guy up there. So if you want to have this man lift, you want to start using it, you got to lose some weight, maybe. I don't know, because this is
170.
that guy's 170 up there. I'm 260, so I'm gonna be maxing this thing out if I'm up there. All right, now that we finished checking, securing, he's gonna swing him around to this 4-story building. 4 stories right there. So this one right here is 85, so yeah, he could reach a lot higher than what he's at right now. I'm gonna move back because this is a beautiful shot right here. No trailer in the way. There it is. So the machine is gonna get folded here shortly, and we'll show you how it retracts. So there it goes. It's in retract mode. So it's like a carousel. I think it's just gonna drive it as is, just like that. Drive it out right off from this lawn and onto pavement. There it goes. Back onto pavement. Mini tank. Let me show you the footprint. Just some plywood. Not too bad. Look at that. Clean. We got a couple more spots to fix, and it will be good. Should be able to reach all those gutters right there. We also made these covers for these clean outs so they won't splash no more. Take the screw out, clean it, put it back on. What's going on over here? Some kind of overflow. Maybe sounds like the drain pipe ain't working. That's not good. All these gutters, we're gonna clean them out right now. We gotta clean those gutters as well right there. Very nice. We're gonna repark over here so we can reach those gutters there. All right, so they're gonna go around that thing right there, get it all cleaned up. Very nice. This thing is amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4 stories. Well, we're about wrapping it up. We're gonna check the scuppers here, grab our gear, and get it all cleaned up. We got this project wrapped up. We got Gil over there, the professional certified operator for that little thing that was not little just a while. But yeah, it transforms. Let's take a look. Look how tiny this thing becomes. There it is. It can fit through a gate. Very narrow. Very nice. £8,000. Quite an impressive machine. It's a custom trailer. It fits really snug up on there. And there it is, all done. And there it goes. Nice and easy, just like that. Job is complete. Everything went well. Got it all repaired and cleaned. Thanks for watching. God bless. See you next time.